name is Griselda Dwitalia Putri Lusiani from class PPKH 2B. Today I will make organic fertilizer from coconut water. Come on, follow me. Coconut water is a source of nutrients for plant because it stores nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, Mg, Ta, and a number of other macro elements so that it can increase soil productivity and crop production. First, we are prepared tools and material. For tools, there are jar, starter, and filter. And for materials, there are coconut. I take the water, then sugar, EM4 are effective microorganisms, and we can add molds and vegetables like soybean or others. Next, fill the jar with coconut water and don't forget to filter it. Dissolve the sugar in another bowl. Then add the sugar and EM4. And mix well. After that, close stick lid. And set in a place out of direct the sunlight. Stir this every day for 10 days. On the 10 days, has finished fermenting and is ready to use. The application should be done 1 until 2 times in 1 week to get maximum result. Besides being sprayed on plant, this liquid organic fertilizer can also be used as a mixture when cooking shit. And don't forget to wash your hand after do activities. And finish the organic fertilizer tutorial from coconut water. Thank you for watching and see you next video. Bye bye.